Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to get cat costume on Snapchat. So for you to do that, you have to tap on your Bitmoji icon or your profile picture on Snapchat. Then you tap on this outfit icon which looks like this which looks like anger button. You tap. Then you tap on this anger button called icon outfit. Then you scroll down till you find costume. Keep searching, almost there. Here it is. Then from here you can see costume. Then we can tap and click in between of these ones we have in the list. Then let's tap on this one. Then we swipe down, then we hit save. That's it. Like and follow for more. Thank you.